Glue squeeze out can actually be a good thing. A few tiny droplets let you know you have enough glue in the joint. I'd be worried if I didn't have squeeze out. But if you don't clean it all up, it can ruin your finish. So when and how should you clean it up for best results? Some people wipe it off immediately with a wet sponge. I think this presents too much of a risk because the water may dilute the glue and you may end up just forcing it deeper into the fibers. If you use a sponge or a rag, you got to be really thorough. It's just not worth the risk when there's a better way. I prefer to let the glue set up for about 15 minutes or so. Then I use a scraper or a dull chisel to remove the bulk of it. Don't wait until it gets hard or you may end up tearing some of the wood fibers with it. You want to do it when it's still gooey. What's left behind is a thin film on just the outer fibers, which will be easy to sand or scrape away. Another glue tip I like is to use a silicone mat like this one to keep the squeeze out off your bench top. When it dries, it'll peel right off. You can get these mats from a couple of different companies. I like to have two 18 by 24 mats so I can lay them side by side for larger glue ups. I'll put a link to them in the notes below this video. For more tips, tricks, and tutorials designed to make you a better woodworker, check out the latest issue of Stumpy Nubs Woodworking Journal over at stumpynubs.com.